the Skullcandy Sesh True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the new Skullcandy Sesh True Wireless Earbuds. They are priced competitively at $50. I will go over specs, features, provide a microphone sample, and give my thoughts. I have also included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, you get a user guide, micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips, which a pair is already pre-installed. Opening the box, you will see some detailed diagrams on the left side along with button control functions on the right. The Sesh earbuds feature 3 hours of listening time, 10 hours with the case. It takes about 1 hour to fully charge the earbuds and 2 hours for the case. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IP55 sweat, water, dust resistant. The case has a nice finish all around with a matte surface. You can see the Skullcandy branding on the top of the lid, and you also have the button to activate the front LED, which will give you a status of the charge. On the back of the case, you'll find the micro USB charge port. Opening and closing the lid, it feels very smooth. It utilizes magnets along with the earbuds that are firmly secured by magnets as well. Removal of the earbuds is also easy, and you can see the ear indicator markings inside. The earbuds have a slim design to it and has an ergonomic shape. The outer button has a rubber feel with the Skullcandy logo. And you can also see the ear indicator markings inside. The earbuds have button controls, LED, charging contacts, microphone, and interchangeable ear tips. And here they are side by side. The button controls are pretty straightforward. It's just a matter of pressing a few times to get the desired function for playback and call controls. The case comes in at 3 inches by 1.5 by 1.3 inches. It weighs in at approximately 50 grams, and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Skullcandy Sesh microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone comes in a bit weak for my liking. As far as using the earbuds individually, it will only work using the left side, as that is the master. Testing video with an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency. This may vary depending on your device and apps used. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Pairing was also instantaneous. Here are my thoughts on the Skullcandy Sesh earbuds. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I found the earbuds surprisingly comfortable. It has a snug fit to it, and it just slides right in and conforms to your ears. The button controls are very responsive, and it doesn't take much pressure to activate. But I would have preferred touch controls. It had no issues staying into place while running. Build and quality is in line with previous models like the Skullcandy Indies. The case has a durable feel to it along with the earbuds. I like the slim form factor that this has, and it doesn't protrude out as much. The battery life is a bit disappointing, only giving you 3 hours before it needs to be charged. and with the case a total of 10 hours. Also, not being able to use the right side in mono, it will only work with the left. Now when it comes to sound, this definitely has the Skullcandy sound signature. The bass comes in very strong and it's prominent. This will please the bass lovers out there. I found the bass to be very clean and punchy. Mids and highs were also clean and clear. Vocals and instruments come in very loud. But there were times I felt that the bass was a bit overwhelming. It kind of drowned out the vocals. I would describe the overall sounds as energetic. The sound signature may not be for everyone, but if you are familiar with the Skullcandy sounds, then this won't disappoint. This can definitely be used for casual listening and workouts with its IP55 rating. It's not perfect by any means. It has its pluses and minuses as I have mentioned, but the $50 price point is sure to make this enticing for those that are looking for a budget pair. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.